Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix mic not working or voice chat is not working on Fortnite. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, load up your game, then go to the settings, press escape button, go to settings, then go to the second option here, that is audio, scroll down, and then you should see voice chat. Make sure to do this on everybody or to friends or teammates and or friends only, it's up to you, but do not make it on off, right? And then you need to make sure that your voice chat input device is either on default or on your exact microphone. As you can see here, my microphone is set to the microphone Yeti Nano is set to default, so I use default, but you can also check these options as well. So what you need to do here is to, after you set up your microphone and you made sure that voice chat is on, then you just need to, you can close the game, and then we can do a few options here. So first of all, go to settings, and make sure that your Windows operating system is fully up to date. Check for updates, and if there is an update for you that you need to download and install it, please do so. And then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And then you need to go to privacy and security. Then you need to go to microphone, and then make sure that microphone access is on. And also look here on your particular game. You need to look if the option is not toggled off, right? And after that, after you do so, you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if you're still having the issue, you just need to go to control panel, and on the control panel you need to go to sound, and then press recording, and here you will see your microphone that's set to default. As you can see here, mine is set to default here. Also, you need to locate the microphone that you're using and set to that particular microphone set to default, and also disable all the options that is here. Just press disable if there is a availability here. And after that, your problem should be fixed and your mic and voice chat should be working on Fortnite, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.